guys, I'm telling this is Mini Block Craft 3, Mini Block Craft 2, and now Mini Block Craft 3D is new update. So I uninstalled it because it's updating. Today has of May. Now look, when the gray wolf gets stuck by a thick pillar, that this happened to. Jump! You cannot escape anymore. Dead. Cause of death, crushed by a thick pillar. It's because pillar is buried. When you build a like how many them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 8, 16, 24, 34, 48, 6, 12, 18, 4, 30, 36. When you build, well, look at this. By 1, 2, 3, 4 thick pillar, the wolf can trap because of it's too small. Look, jump. It's too big for the wolf. While the room is only just 1 or 2, 1 times 1 hole of thick pillar. Jump with thick pillar. It's so stupid. Look, jump. Cannot escape. No. Dead. Crushed by thick pillar due to small room. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, I'm back. Let me try this by stop. Cannot escape. Jump. Cause of death, crushed by a small thick pillar. It's too small that you cannot escape it. What is that? Yes, yes. Jump! No. Stop! Block. Jump. It's too small. Sock. Touching. No, I get it. Yeah. Jump. Stop. Dead. Crushed by thick pillar. Jump. Collapse. Jump. No. Dead. For player. Due to spawn 3 wolves that jump over player and causing it to teleport you at the thick pillar. It's so saucy.